Minister, you'll help. I don't want us to take very long on this. You'll help this House this way. You have officers of your ministry in each and every county who have a duty to keep and update records of schools continuously and furnish to your ministry that money, public resources have been wired to non-existent schools for non-existent students. How many of your officers have you interdicted for doing this criminal act? Once we get that, then the committee will follow up with you to deal with these issues.
Mr. Speaker, it is worrying to be told that 1.1 billion was released in favor of numbers or students that do not exist. Mr. Speaker, he also tells us that 934 schools have benefited from money and he is not able to verify. Mr. Speaker, there is a problem. I think it's a huge cartel that ensures that information is not provided. If it is provided, it is not provided within the right time, and that even the cabinet secretary himself could be having a lot of problems below him.